So let us make differential voltage amplifier, and these are the three wires from multi-power supply. This is the new common which I am going to give here. This blue one is minus 15, so minus 15 will go to 4 number. I have inserted here. Then this black one is common, so I am going to put it here in a common channel, and the red one is plus 15, so this plus 15 I will give in 7 number. This is 5, 6, 7. So that is how it is getting powerized. Now I have to put feedback resistance and in resistance. So two feedback resistances are required. What I will do, I have taken 100 kilo ohm, two resistors. These are 100 kilo ohm two resistors. So one will go from 2 to 6, which will create feedback. So this is pin number 2, and from here I'll put to 6 number. This is 4, 5, 6, 2, 6 number. So like that, and then I'll put it down. So 2 to 6 I have made. You can see here 1, 2, 5, 6. 2 to 6 I have made a feedback resistance. Then from 2 to V in, okay, so this I am taking as 2 kilo ohm, and this one was 100 kilo ohm. So my amplification factor will be 50 times, or let us make it 100 times. So I will take 100 ohms here. So 100 kilo ohm divided by 100 ohm, we get 1000. So it is a 1000 times amplification. So from second number I will insert it here, and I will give it to another point. So from pin number 2 I have given input here, okay, and make it down. Fine. From 2 to, now from 3 we have to give ground using the same resistance value. It will go to ground. From 3 to ground we have to make. So this is 2 and this is 3. I'll take it little bit away from here, and then I will insert somewhere here. Fine. I'm doing it quite slowly. And then from this point to ground I need to connect, okay. So I have taken a small piece of wire, inserted here, inserted to the ground channel, which comes up to half of this one. So I will just connect it here. Yeah, ensure that ground will be connected here. Fine. It is getting inserted. So now you can see that from 3 number resistance is coming, and then it is going to ground, okay. Ground, let me make it on the top. Fine. Now from 3 another input will come. So from 3 again I have to put another input. So this is 3. From the same junction I need to keep another resistance, okay, of same as V in. So this I have inserted. Fine. So like that you can see that our differential voltage amplifier is ready, okay. Now we'll test it. So let me check once again. One number is not connected to anywhere. From 2 there is a feedback, and from 2 there is an in. So this is V in. From 3 number, this is 3 number, there is a resistance which goes to direct ground. I'll put it little bit here, yeah. And from 3 again there is a resistance coming from here, and it goes to V in 2. Fine. Ground is 1. Now I will use multimeter to see the output, and instead of giving this differential supply, I'll give a power supply. Fine. So I have a power supply. common I am going to connect with 3 number, common I am connecting with 3, this black one is the common, and this one I am going to connect with input of 2. So let us assume that if I have given 1 millivolt or 0.1 volt, it will be converted to a higher value. So let us see. And I have the probes of multimeter. So multimeter common, I am putting it to the common ground. This is multimeter common, and multimeter input is 6 number. So this will go to 6 number here. So this is multimeter input. Now my differential voltage amplifier is ready.